If you're looking to margin trade your cryptocurrency, understand we aren't talking about butter. Yes, that's margarine. So come on now, let's not be silly. But here's the thing, using margin allows you to leverage your trading account to make more money faster. However, you would have to be careful of this, because if you borrow too much and your investments tank hard, you could end up losing everything in your account, which would be like getting an old stick of butter. First, let's address what margin trading even means, especially for anyone who's a little confused. Simply put, it's a financial method of engaging in trading activities using money borrowed from a third party, for which your existing investments act as collateral. In this, the brokerage firm or platform gives you upfront capital to trade in markets, and this capital is offered against your already owned assets and securities. Think of this as a loan that is specifically offered for trading purposes. Also, margin trading, as a trading mechanism, has grown in popularity in the recent years. Unlike banks and other lending institutions, you can borrow money for a comparatively lesser interest rate, with less paperwork and negotiations. Basically, when trading with a margin, if your bet wins, you can book extraordinary profits. If not, you need to repay more than your initial borrowed capital. Also, interest is charged, which only amplifies the loss incurred by the trader. When it comes to margin crypto trading in the United States, the places you're allowed to do this is somewhat limited. But we have two solid choices if you'd like to try it out. So let's get right into it. First up, we have Kraken. Kraken is a fully functional crypto exchange with low fees and a good mix of coins. It is also one of the only US crypto exchanges to provide advanced trading tools like margin. It says it aims to be the best and most secure, and the claims are pretty solid. Founded in 2011, and launched in 2013, Kraken is one of the largest and oldest exchanges in the world, and it's had its eyes on security from day one. The fact that it hasn't been hacked in 9 years speaks for itself. The US-based exchange has consistently led the industry in security. It boasts both physical security and financial stability. Plus, it pushes other users towards healthy security habits. They also have upwards of 180 plus coins available for trading, which is pretty impressive. Kraken offers over 100 margin-enabled markets for you to go buy or go long, or sell, go short. A growing number of cryptocurrencies with up to 5 times leverage. The amount you can borrow here is set in the millions. So, if you plan on going big with your margin trading, you will have no issues doing that whatsoever on Kraken. Second, we have Robinhood. Now, Robinhood is an awesome trading app that gets a lot of flack. However, when done correctly, you can use margin to buy the cryptos available, which is limited at the moment. And that's the real downside to using Robinhood for crypto trading. They just don't have a big coin selection. With that said, to use margin, you must have at least $2,000 in your account and subscribe to Robinhood Gold, which is a $5 a month subscription. After that, you'll be good to go. Another reason lots of people love using this trading app, because they charge no fees for trading. Of course, if you guys would like to learn more about either one of these exchanges to get started with, we will have some great bonuses and resource links directly below in the description. Lastly, we'd like to recommend 4 awesome coins that you can trade or hold long term that we believe are going to do extremely well in the future. First up, we have ApeCoin. NFTs continue gaining traction among investors, despite the massive price volatility in the last year. This makes ApeCoin a high potential altcoin today, thanks to its connection to a popular NFT in the market. This ERC20 token is closely linked to a collection of NFTs called the Bored Ape Yacht Club, or BAYC. These NFTs have garnered an incredible amount of attention from top celebrities and have become highly sought after among crypto enthusiasts as some of the best NFTs available today. The hype around BAYC NFTs is not unfounded. The BAYC collection includes eye-catching artwork, impressive collectability, and incredible value, since each NFT is hundreds of thousands of dollars, with some even running into the millions. Given all this hype around ApeCoin and BAYC, it's no wonder why it's one of the most anticipated releases when it first launched earlier this year. ApeCoin is also gaining use cases in the fast-growing metaverse space. While ApeCoin was not created by Yuga Labs, the organization who is behind BAYC, its popularity has seen Yuga Labs integrate itself into its other side metaverse. Although this virtual world is still in its development stages, ApeCoin plays an essential role within the framework of Otherside. Not only can it be used to buy in-app items and make in-game purchases, but it can also be exchanged for other currencies from Otherside itself or third-party applications that integrate with it. beyond its core use case within the virtual world of Otherside. However, ApeCoin has also been adopted by several games aimed at mass audiences. Thus far, this use case has helped to increase the utility and popularity of Ape among users and investors. Second, we have Tron. Tron is a fast-growing blockchain network shaking up the DApp development world. Its secure smart contract functionality and decentralized platform structure have many similarities to Ethereum, another leading smart contract protocol. However, what really sets Tron apart from other blockchain networks is its emphasis on content creators. Tron aims to give content creators more control of their work by cutting out intermediaries such as YouTube and directly connecting them with their audience. This exciting shift in the landscape could mean great things for content producers and consumers alike, allowing users to benefit from innovation within the space truly. Tron also has a pretty forward-looking consensus mechanism. With its highly liquid proof-of-stake model and compatibility with Ethereum Virtual Machine, Tron has become a significant player in the blockchain world, and with recent high-profile partnerships with companies like Samsung, Tron's credibility and potential are skyrocketing. Before we get into our next coin, we'd also like to point out you can get on our crypto newsletter, where we send out one email a week directly below in the description. And third, we have Stellar. Stellar Lumen is an influential cryptocurrency that was created to provide financial services to those underserved by the traditional banking system. By utilizing its cutting-edge blockchain technology, this innovative digital currency has been able to break down boundaries that traditionally limit access to essential financial services. Thanks to Stellar Lumens, millions of people around the globe now have more significant opportunities for pursuing their dreams and ambitions. Whether you need money for your business or want to send funds back home, Stellar Lumens has you covered. With rapid transaction speeds and ultra-low fees, it's quickly becoming the preferred method for those looking to bank the unbanked and enable economic growth worldwide. However, its KYC feature truly sets it apart from its competitors. Unlike many other digital currencies, which anyone with an internet connection can use, Stellar requires its users to go through a process to determine their identity and verify their transactions. This mechanism helps reduce fraud and increase security, making Stellar a more trusted payment method for consumers and businesses. Furthermore, this feature gives Stellar the potential to be integrated into existing banking infrastructures and financial systems, further enhancing its appeal as a payments currency. Overall, Stellar's KYC feature makes it an attractive option as a future-forward payment solution. Fourth, we have that good old XRP. Hype matters when it comes to a cryptocurrency's growth potential. We have included XRP in the list of top cryptocurrencies to explode in the next year. There is so much expectation that if the case between the SEC and Ripple ends in Ripple's favor, FOMO could take this cryptocurrency to a new all-time high. Besides the potential hype around the SEC case, there's a lot of expectation around integrating XRP into RippleNet products that target the banking industry. At its core, XRP is designed to facilitate fast and low-cost currency exchange. Ripple has created an innovative payment system that gives users the access to an extensive network of global currency exchange partners. Moreover, thanks to its decentralized structure and peer-to-peer transactions via a distributed ledger technology, transactions on RippleNet can process quickly with low processing fees relative to a traditional banking system. And although many skeptics doubt whether or not such a novel approach will prove to be successful over the long term, there are plenty of reasons for investors to be optimistic about XRP's chances of success. One of them is that the banks, especially in Asia, are already adopting Ripple's technologies, including those that use XRP for cross-border payments. With demand for cryptocurrencies continuing to soar, many believe that XRP is set up for big things shortly. Whether it's from its growing adoption in banking, gaining market share from traditional banks, or simply riding the interest in cryptocurrencies, there's no doubt that XRP has a lot of growth potential. Given that XRP is currently at a significant discount from its all-time high in 2017, there's a good chance it's a cryptocurrency that could explode in value in a big way soon. On a side note, following each one of these projects on social media is a smart move to make. When finding the next big cryptocurrency, one of the best strategies to follow is what's happening on social media. Sites like Twitter and Reddit are ideal for tracking projects in real time, and these platforms enable users to share information about new development and other news concerning the crypto world. Additionally, since these sites draw a wide range of followers and contributors, they provide an excellent source of insights into what traders and investors are thinking. Anyway, We hope you guys enjoyed this list of cryptos. Thanks for watching this, and we will see you all in the next crypto video.